he gets the big crate. Yeah. He's like, what? Yeah. What? What are you wanting me to do?
Get in here?
Bye, guys. Come on, get in there. Up you go.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
All righty.
hey. That's not bad at all. And look at the, we'll just clip it right here on the.
I'm going.
Oops.
It's not
Here, we'll go ahead.
critical which day I go.
Right here.
But I'd like to go Pomeranian rescue there that will take it. But if that dog needs to go in that area Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm okay.
Here's the whole crew.
I work so many days a week, but I can shift it around. It doesn't matter.
And here comes our last rider.
Yeah.